Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO C50 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if you've got only the battery indicator on the status bar and if you want to have the percentage, then no worries, this operation is so easy, but it may be quite tricky because the proper option is not placed where you think it is. So let's enter the settings, and right here we have to scroll until we will find the notifications and control center. So I know that usually you will pick the battery, but it is not there. So let's tap on the notifications and control center, tap on the status bar, and as you can see here we've got the option battery indicator. So we can tap on it and we've got three different options from which we can choose. Probably you've got this one. You can set the percentage inside the battery icon or next to the battery icon. It's really up to you. And as you can see, from now on you will have the exact percentage of the usage of the battery next to the or inside the battery icon. So basically that's all. Just how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your POCO C50. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.